In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful technique to uncover the top search terms your products rank for organically that you may not have ads for. This is about getting the most out of your PPC campaigns without wasting a dime. Let's boost your visibility and sales on Amazon with a smart reverse ASIN lookup strategy. I'm Dr. Travis Ziegler, a retired optometrist who achieved financial, time, and location freedom by building an online business to $500,000 per month and then selling it for a multi-million-dollar exit. I did this by focusing on Amazon PPC and my perpetual sales machine strategy. I've also helped other brands exceed $10 million per year in sales through my agency. Unlike many gurus, I have real experience in creating successful businesses online and specifically on Amazon. But enough about me, let's jump over to my screen and go over to the third part of scaling your Amazon PPC.
One powerful yet overlooked PPC strategy is targeting keywords and phrases your product already ranks for organically. This allows you to gain quick visibility and sales momentum for terms you know convert. In this video, we'll cover how to identify and build out these low-hanging fruit search terms using a reverse ASIN lookup. Going after organic search share with paid ads can significantly accelerate your Amazon sales. All right, let's switch over to my screen and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So here we are inside the search term report that we pulled in the previous video. Now, what we're going to do is I'd usually do this one, but for this purpose, I'm going to do the third one, but you would do the top one. And there's a reason I'm not doing the top one. It's because there's a lot of medications in there and I didn't want to show you one with a bunch of medications. So I'm going to go after acid reflux supplements. I'm going to come over here to Zonguru and I'm going to click create session. It's going to be called acid reflux supplements. And then you can put your ASIN in there as well, so you know which one you're going after. And then we're going to put our product in there and we don't need the 3-pack, just that one. And then we're going to add listings from Amazon. So acid reflux supplements, and then we're going to select all. And you can see right there, we're number 3, which is great. Okay, so we've got all those in there. We're going to run the session. So this will take anywhere from 5 minutes to 30 minutes. And so you just got to wait patiently for this to work. And then we'll jump into this here in just a little bit. All right, our keywords on fire session is complete. So we're going to click this arrow to open the session. We're going to come up here to SEO analysis and we're going to come here to keyword view. This is what I want to see. It tells me the keywords and where I rank for them. I'm then going to export this into a CSV. I've never played with table settings, so let's look at that. Yeah, so actually I don't care about anybody else but my product, which I believe is this one right here, or it could be this one over here. Let's look. So we're going to come over here, get my product. Let's find our ASIN. Come back over here and we'll find it. There it is. So let's get rid of every single thing, every other one but mine. I don't know if this will download like this, so we're going to check this out, but you can at least look at the data here like this. All right, so now we're just going to have the data for my product right here. And so what we're doing here is we're looking for which ones we're actually ranking for. So you can see 7, 4, 4, unranked, 11, 10. And so now what I'm going to do is download this into a CSV. We're going to come back over here to our spreadsheet that we've been building everything out of. And we're going to go to File, Import, Upload, Browse, and then grab that and pull it in. Next, we're going to go to Insert New Sheet and Import Data. So that's going to bring it in. And it looks like it didn't matter that I sorted it, but if you want to look at the data, you can filter it to just your product there. Now we got to filter it for just your product here. So there is my product. So I'm going to delete the rest of them. And then here we go. So what I'm going to do here is highlight everything. I'm going to hit View, Freeze, the first row, go to Data, Sort Range, Advanced Sorting Range Options. And then we're going to do column D, which is my product, A to Z. And what that's going to do is it's going to show us all the keywords that we're ranking on organically, and we may or may not have a sponsored product for that. And so what I like to do is I like to then take maybe the top 10. You can do 10 to 25 depending on how aggressive you want to be, because you can see we're already showing up organically for these search terms. And so we're limited on budget. So I'm just going to do my top 10, which is going to be these right here. So what I'm going to do is take these over here and I'm going to do a build, just like we've done a build in the past. So we're going to take this and we're going to go 3 to the left. I'm going to go borrow from my other spreadsheet, which is right here. We're going to come over here, put them in, and then we're just going to build an exact match campaign around this.
All right, here's what you need to do next. Number 1, set up your reverse ASIN lookup session today. Decide on your strategy. Is it going to be aggressive or conservative? And then tailor your keyword choices accordingly. Number 3, organize your findings in a Google Sheet and create a single keyword exact match campaign. Using this targeted approach not only enhances your visibility, but it also optimizes your advertising spend. You're not just throwing money at the wall to see what sticks. You're investing in proven search terms that lead to sales. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips on scaling your Amazon business.
Hey, I wanted to thank you for watching this video, and I picked out another video just for you. So make sure you check out that other video. And what do they need to do? Do they need to like and subscribe? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content.